exploring the meaning of a life well lived. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an inspiring and thought-provoking topic, a life well lived. This phrase holds a deep meaning and can be a guide for many of us seeking fulfillment and purpose in our lives. Let's embark on this journey together to understand what it truly means to lead a life that's well lived. At its core, a life well lived is a phrase that encapsulates the essence of a fulfilling and meaningful life. It's not just about longevity but the quality of one's life experiences, the impact one has on others, and the pursuit of happiness and contentment. A well-lived life is marked by personal growth, meaningful relationships, and contributions to society. It's about making the most of every moment and leaving a positive footprint on the world. Purpose and passion. A life well lived is often driven by a sense of purpose and passion. Finding what you love and pursuing it with all your heart can lead to a fulfilling and meaningful existence. It's about aligning your actions with your values and making choices that resonate with your true self. Relationships and connections. Meaningful relationships are another cornerstone of a well-lived life. The connections we build with family, friends, and the community contribute significantly to our happiness and sense of belonging. Cherishing and nurturing these relationships can add profound depth to our lives. Personal growth and learning. Continuous personal growth and learning are vital in leading a life that's considered well-lived. Embracing new experiences, learning from failures, and pushing beyond our comfort zones help us grow as individuals. This growth is intrinsic to finding satisfaction and joy in our journey through life. Contribution and impact. Lastly, making a positive contribution to the world is a key aspect of a well-lived life. Whether it's through our profession, volunteer work, or simply spreading kindness, our impact on others and the world around us defines the legacy we leave behind. In closing, a life well lived is a beautiful and multifaceted concept that encourages us to seek depth, meaning, and joy in our existence. It reminds us to pursue our passions, cherish our relationships, grow continuously, and contribute positively to the world. We hope this video inspires you to reflect on your path and take steps toward leading a life you'd consider well lived. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to live every day to its fullest.